Radio 161, great to make the hookup there, Matt. Yeah, Matt, J. Juliet Alpha Yankee was my name for your further information.
Hi, this is CBRadioMagazine.com, and once again we're displaying some of the features of the Alpha 10 Max AM-1000 radio. We've had some questions from people regarding the programming, regarding setting it up for 40 or 60 channel options for your banks or your band of channels that you do during the programming. So we wanted to just show a little bit more about that. Currently we have it on the D band on our selector here, which is basically showing, standard export CB band, and it gives us channels 1 all the way up to 40. So what I'm going to show you is I went into the programming and I kind of made a favorites, a band of favorite frequencies. So if we go down here to A, and what I did was programmed it using the included software that comes with the software CD and USB cable that you can purchase. It's separate from the radio. So what I did was I designated the number 1 position is going to be 27.025, which would be like channel 6. And you can see I went up here, channel 17, 18, 19, channel 26, channel 28, channel 30, 32, 35, 36, 37, etc. And I get channel 40. You see, this is more of a position indicator. So I had 16 lines down, and this is the frequency I designated for this position. Now, rather than having to switch bands to go into the upper frequencies, I just included them in this with the programming, so it jumps right into my free band frequencies. And if I wanted to, see, I could go from free band right up into 10 meters. And you can see now I designated in slot 24, I'm going to use 10 meter frequencies. And then it's going to jump down, and you can see here in slot 45 I've jumped down to some low frequencies in the free band. And I only used up to 56 slots in the programming, so you can do up to 60. So that's kind of an example of what you can do with that. It's kind of interesting as well, when you designated certain things, like say on channel 38 on lower sideband, I want to designate the high cut option to cut out the hiss. So I'll hit function, high cut, and you'll see that's now designated on channel 38. If I go to channel 39, you'll see it's not there. So you can actually set it up for each frequency to have different options. So if you want the high cut, say when you're on the sideband frequencies, but when you go into AM on channel 6, you don't want it, it's not there. We've also had some requests to show off the Roger beep function a little bit more on changing the tone and the frequency, so we're going to show that. So we've selected a really high frequency, and we've selected the longest amount for the length of the tone. So I'll key up and you'll hear it. Alright, now what we'll do is I'll change the time to show you a shorter beep. And on the shortest function, it's almost hard to even hear it. It's just a very quick beep. So we'll go back in, we can adjust that, and I'll show you kind of a mid-range time in between. So it shortest is just, let's see here, this will be right in between. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll go up and we'll adjust the frequency. Show you, we can go to a low frequency. So that's a low frequency on a long delay. Oops, let me get back to the frequency. Pass it again. Alright, so we'll go up a little bit here. This is a mid-range frequency. And we'll go up a little higher. a little annoying that you have to go back out to the main menu, or that it defaults back to your radio, and then you have to go back into the menu every time to get to it. But I mean, the idea is once you get it adjusted, you're not going to have to do this every time, so should be a hassle. And here's the highest tone again. So hopefully that gives you an example of the Roger beep and the adjustability on that portion of it.